Rome, a name that once meant power, order, and eternity. For centuries, it dominated the known world, stretching from the cold forests of Britain to the deserts of Egypt. But what if it didn't truly fall? What if the empire we remember was betrayed from within? At its height, Rome was unmatched. Its streets teemed with life, markets overflowed with goods, and the Senate dictated law to millions. Across Europe, Africa, and Asia, Roman legions enforced order. This was an empire that seemed eternal. But beneath the grandeur, cracks were forming. Soldiers neglected their duties, villas decayed, and the gap between rich and poor widened. The first whispers of decline traveled unseen as the empire's foundations weakened. Power had become a commodity. Senators schemed, deals were struck in shadows, and loyalty was bought with coins. Rome's leaders were more interested in self-preservation than the empire they vowed to protect. The legions, once invincible, had grown complacent. Borders were poorly defended, training declined, and mercenaries replaced loyal soldiers. Meanwhile, barbarian tribes tested the empire's might. In the shadows, betrayal brewed. Secret alliances and hidden treaties quietly undermined Rome. While emperors faced threats abroad, allies and officials conspired behind closed doors, turning Rome's own strength against itself. The economy faltered. Coins lost value, markets emptied, and farms were abandoned. Citizens bartered for survival, while the state, distracted by corruption and civil strife, failed to intervene. Internal conflict erupted. Rival factions of the Roman army clashed in cities once proud and unassailable. Brother fought brother. The barbarians seized the opportunity. Goths, Vandals, and Huns swept through the borders, crossing rivers and sacking towns. Rome was not defenseless, it was betrayed. Its enemies were only able to strike because the empire had been weakened internally. Documents, treaties, and secret deals reveal the truth. Rome was not conquered, it was sold out. While citizens suffered, those in power quietly negotiated with the enemy, exchanging loyalty for personal gain. These were the men who betrayed an empire. Senators, generals, and advisors whose ambition outweighed their duty. Their names are etched in history, not for victories, but for the empire they allowed to crumble. Chaos consumed Rome. Streets burned, famine spread, and the people suffered for the failures of the powerful. The empire's heart had been hollowed out from within, leaving only ruin in its wake. Imagine Rome thriving, citizens united, soldiers loyal, and leaders wise. The empire we admire could have endured centuries longer, but betrayal was the silent enemy, unseen and unstoppable. Today, Rome lives on in its ruins and in its influence on modern Europe. Its architecture, law, and culture endure, yet the lessons of betrayal and complacency remain as warnings to all civilizations. The Roman Empire, betrayed, not defeated, its story reminds us that power without loyalty and greatness without vigilance is fragile. What do you think? Was Rome truly lost, or was it sold out from within?